Yeah, but if my money will run out, and so my child won't get any of my money.
So you have a child.
Yeah, a child, but he won't be getting any of my money if I happen to go into a vegetative state because.
Did they bring that up to you? Like, wow, this is really selfish of you, Norm. Maybe you should consider putting some money aside for the boy.
Well, no, I'm not allowed to because I have to deplete all my money before then they can pay for it themselves. The hospital.
Right.
They're forbidden not to keep your own license.
Is that even after all your funds have run out, they can't
They
say,
can't
well, we can't pay for it
because
anymore.
I know what happens because I've seen it so many times. Like you're the vegetable, and then they go, hey, they go get your relatives there, and they go, what do you guys think? And then the relatives go, I think Norm said he wanted to die. Like I think he said he wouldn't want to be a burden and all this stuff. They lie.
And so you're putting it right in the well. I want to be a burden.
Well, listen, I'm the vegetable. If being a burden is my mother not going to her bridge game a couple. A burden is my mother not going to her bridge game a couple times so she can come and touch my hand. Sorry. So it was burdening their life.
Hey, Norm, are you a therapy at all?
No.
Really?
Psychotherapy?
Yeah. Have you ever, sat with a therapist?
No, I don't believe in psychotherapy.
You don't?
No.
Really? Why is that?
Because I've read psychotherapists.
Yeah.
And I don't agree with their.
Do you do your own psychoanalysis? Do you
I have my
spend a lot
own
of time?
beliefs.
Right. But do you spend a lot of time in sort of self-reflection and?
Yes,
Do you?
I ruminate.
Do you?
Yeah, I have a theory that people are in deep denial of death,
Right.
and I'm not.
You know you don't want to.
No, I think most people don't think they're going to die.
Well, you know, it's funny that you say that because just even in the last week, I'm like, nobody really thinks they're going to die.
Yeah.
Like you just can't get your head around it because you're so busy living.
Right.
Well,
It's
yeah,
almost
it's not gonna happen
impossible to
to me.
comprehend.
Right.
And everything you see is living. Even if someone else dies, it's always a shock because
Right.
they've always been alive. Yeah. So it's very hard. It is a hard thing to wrap your mind around. I'll be doing a lot of this at Cobb's Comedy Club.
Are you a happy person, like in general?
Am I
Are
right?
you a happy person? Because you always have a
No.
slight smile, but it's are you a sad person?
I mean, I think things are funny.
Right.
I laugh a lot.
But that doesn't necessarily translate into happiness
Well,
on a.
if I'm laughing, I'm happy, I guess.
Where do you live?
I live in Southern California.
Do you have a nice house?
No, I live in a very small apartment.
You have an apartment?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm surprised that you don't have a big, you're Norm Macdonald.
Well, I don't like things.
Oh,
I never have.
really?
No, I've always felt very burdened down by them.
Do you have a pet?
The only thing I can't throw away is when my child gets me a present.
Yes.
So I have those things, but otherwise I just have a
How old is your kid?
bed. What?
I don't just have a bed.
Well, I have a
You have a coffee pot,
no,
a teapot,
I don't have, I always eat
a microwave.
I always eat at Joe's Diner that's near my apartment.
Is this all true, or are you making this up?
You just can't
True.
tell because it's got that grin.
Oh, yeah.
Face.
No. So you bring a girl home or a friend over,
I don't
and there's
bring
no place for
girls.
what?
I don't have sex with girls or men.
Wait a minute, Norm Macdonald. Norm, you're a sexy dude,
Yeah, but I don't have.
and you never go out trolling.
I mean,
or
I
no
have
girl.
had
Well,
sex.
I
Well, you have
realize
a
you're not
kid.
a virgin. You've
Yeah,
got a
yeah.
kid.
No,
When's the last time you had sex?
probably 10 years ago.
Shut
up.
Yeah, I have sex. I have sex like by masturbating.
Yes.
Yeah, but I find sex very repetitive and dull and kind of pointless.
Your kid. This is a bit.
No, it's not.
Norm Macdonald.
I had a lot of sex when I was young. When I was 19 or 20, I had a lot of sex, and it's just